Today, Groundworks opens a new office in Salt Lake City, Utah.
Today's event's all about grand opening, and it's all about the community, showing that we are here in this location ready to serve.
What I'm excited about the most about serving Salt Lake is just being of Salt Lake and being able to see physical evidence of my work being appreciated.
The economic development and growth is booming in this part of Utah, and we are really looking forward to Groundworks coming in, growing our businesses, our surrounding area, and it really is a service that is needed here locally.
Our local Salt Lake City team is really passionate about connecting with the local community. A great example of this is their partnership with the United Way's Day of Caring event.
What excites me the most about serving Salt Lake City is being able to give back in a way that's positive to the community.
What differentiates us in Salt Lake is actually similar to other markets. Everyone that actually wears the Groundworks on their chest, they are an owner in the company. And we do that because we want an ownership mindset from everyone.
To be one of the owners in the branch, it's super exciting.
It gives hope to each and every one of the employees here. We own this branch, we care for this branch. I treat every customer's house like it's my own house.
Groundworks is a good place for people looking to grow their careers because Groundworks itself is growing so rapidly.
On behalf of the 7,000 employees at Groundworks, thank you for welcoming us to this community.